kindness in actions. Another element of good companionship between a married couple is kind treatment. Not only should a person show kind treatment to their spouse through their words, but also through their actions. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 3895, that the best man is the one who treats their wife kindly. Therefore, a Muslim will never perfect their character until they treat their spouse kindly, even if they treat others with respect and kindness. The rights of all people must be fulfilled. One cannot expect success by fulfilling the rights of some relatives and ignore the rights of others. A true Muslim strives to fulfill all the rights appointed to them by Allah, the Exalted. In a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2003, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the heaviest thing in the scales of Judgment Day will be good character. It is therefore essential for Muslims to adopt this behavior, especially with their relatives, such as their spouse. It is clear hypocrisy to treat the outside world with kindness and treat one's own family, such as one's spouse, unkindly. This person is only following their own desires and not Islamic teachings. This two-faced person will eventually be exposed and disgraced in this world, and they will encounter a great punishment in the next world unless they sincerely repent. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.